Juntos Project Play Selection Process. This is Julio. He is a theater student at MCC who volunteered to be part of the play selection process. Julio first gets placed in one of 4 reading groups with Teatro members and MCC staff and faculty. These small groups ensure that all voices can be heard and set up for in-depth discussion. Each group is given 7 plays. Julio and the other readers will read the first 10 pages of each play. Julio then uses the feedback form to take notes as he goes through each play. Julio then meets with his group for the first meeting and discusses what they thought of the plays, asking and answering the questions on the feedback form. After the discussion, the group will decide 5 plays that will move forward. Then Julio and the rest of the group will read the first act of the 5 plays. Julio and his group get together for the second meeting. They discuss what they thought of the play, asking and answering questions from the feedback form. After the discussion, the group will decide on 2 plays that move forward. Then Julio and the rest of the group will read the whole play of the last 2 plays. Julio and his group will get together for the third meeting. They discuss what they thought of the play, asking and answering questions from the feedback form. After the discussion, the group will decide on 1 play. We will then bring in the playwrights for all the final plays and invite communities to join us in deciding which of the 4 plays we will produce as a co-production this late spring, early summer.